Lily is made from marshmallow foamiran. Under heating, this material is glued together. In Russia, marshmallow foamiran is sold in standard sizes. These are sheets of size 20 by 20 inches. One leaf of marshmallow foamiran is one petal of lily. We need a wire of 1-2 mm and a length of 15 inches. One sheet of marshmallow foamiran folded in half. Mark the middle. One half fold in half. Mark the middle. Glue the wire in the center of one half of the sheet. Leave part of the free wire 2-3 inches. We cut the wire with glue from all sides. We cover with the second part of the marshmallow foamiran and we press. Do the same with the rest of the sheets. In total we have 6 of them, as well as petals in lilies. We take an iron and a sheet of paper. Need a smooth surface. We cover the sheet of foamiran with paper and heat it. When we smooth the surface very well. We remove the paper and see that foamiran has stuck together. Glue at the top. It is important to smooth the surface with your hands, otherwise you may get big bubbles in the material. Do the same with the rest of the foamiran sheets. And now we will form the lily petals. Fold the sheet of foamiran in half. With a not very sharp object, draw a half petal. We make 3 large petals and 3 small petals. Weather will look everywhere is material glued. For example, in this place the material is not stuck together. This needs to be fixed. You can attach the material to the iron and press with your fingers. we give waves to the petals. This is my authoring technique of stripping. Now I will paint the petals in light green color with dry pastels. With a wet napkin I type in chalk and paint it. Paint put a dot on the petal. We do stamens. I fasten 3 thick wire with floral tape. Cut out 6 rectangles from marshmallow foamiran. Each rectangle folded in half, steel rage in half and glued. We make a voluminous pillow on wire. Glue the edges on the iron and crush with your fingers. Shape stamens. Such stamens we need to make 5 more pieces. I paint the wire in light green color. Stamens turn brown. The main stamen in the lily will be round. We take 3 twisted thick wire and wind a strip of zephyr foamiran. Hit on the iron and shape it with your fingers. I tint the stamen in brown and wrap the wire in light green paper. All the stamen fasten floral tape and give shape. We shape the lily petals and then fix them on the stamens with the floral tape. First 3 large petals, then 3 small petals under them. Add large petals. I cut corners and attach small petals under them. I glue the corners of small petals with hot glue. Lily is ready. As a stem, I use a metal plastic pipe. If you like my masterclass, put likes, write comments and questions. Share with friends. Write what else you want to see masterclass translated into English. Make your lily and share photos in Instagram. Mark my profile. Happy decoration. Thanks for attention. With you I was Anne Kovalova and my creative channel Happy Decoration. Bye bye.